Carlo Clarity 2 in the fitness room of my hotel. I think it's either Clarity or Vision. I think it's probably Vision. So, it's in the fitness room. It's kind of hot in here, so it was on high. Here's the light. It's on a light switch and a Lutron rotary 3-speed wall control. Low. Well, it was originally controlled by a remote or a different wall control, but they changed it to a Lutron rotary wall control. Here's medium. Wrong direction. They have the other direction instead of those normal direction. This is like what gets me confused. Light. Oh, I forgot to turn the light. Well, it's on medium. Here's high. Does move a ton. It moves a little bit of air. Not that much. I'll actually move decent breeze, but it doesn't spin very fast at all. It's almost like a Fanimation's Onyx, so it doesn't spin very fast. Anyways, here's spin down. Now let's see if the reverse module is still in, or if we need to open up the light. This is a small fitness firm. Oh. I also have to remember to spin down. Switch was not supposed to turn. Well, Ryan normally does the on, off thing for the reverse. Well, it takes several attempts if it's on wall control, aftermarket wall control. Select high. I used the reverse switches in the light, so back to high. And that will be it. Thanks. This is the Monte Carlo Vision ceiling fan. Thanks for watching.